Hey, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. We got a hankering for some buffalo wings. We do. So we bought some. I'm going to smoke them. I've never smoked chicken wings ever. I'm going to do these on the Oklahoma Joe's. It might be a little overkill for this amount of wings, but that was a 4-pound bag, frozen bag at Walmart. You don't get that many. It's just going to be a little snack for us because, man, I love some buffalo wings, but I've never smoked wings ever. It's the first time, as usual. I'm Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Hi, how are you? Okay, so this is my thought. I got this. It's Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Seasoning. It's a dry blend. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and coat these, and then put them on the smoker, and then dip them in my sauce that I make, my buffalo wing sauce, which is very basic and easy. And I don't know. I might put them back on the smoker after that. I haven't decided that yet. So I'm going to see how it goes. Now, let's take these chicken wings, right? Let's put them in here. I was going to put them in a big bag, but I don't have a bag big enough. Now, I tried to get as much moisture off of these wings as possible. They're still a little moist. They've been sitting out for a couple minutes. Again, they were frozen. And so I let them thaw overnight. Now I'm going to put some cornstarch in because what I've learned is that cornstarch will should make them a little crispy. So we'll just go. This is a tablespoon, so right around a tablespoon. Put that in there, and then let's get our seasoning. Smells like Frank's. I love Frank's. I love Frank's. So I just want to get these coated up. Yeah, I'm just going to use this hand because we don't want the sanitation police coming after us and think I'm going to kill my family and myself touching raw chicken. Yeah, I'm not saying it. You're not supposed to. I get it. I get it. We're going to go with more of that. So right now I got the Oklahoma Joe's. Just using some Kingsford charcoal. And I've got some bits and scraps of wood left over, hickory, I think a couple chunks of mesquite. And is there a certain temperature to go for? I don't know. Usually you do them in the oven, 300, 350, 375, 400, and then let them go. I got a whole routine that I do for chicken wings when I'm just making buffalo wings in the oven. So I know how to make buffalo wings. I've just never smoked them. Never in my entire life. We need more. We need more. This is going to be a Frank's overload. How is this going to turn out? I do not know. By now, you've seen the thumbnail. I haven't because I haven't created the thumbnail yet. These are not the most picturesque wings in the world, but they do have some meat to them. We're going to go with that. I'm going to bring them out. I'm going to put them on the Oklahoma Joe's. Am I shooting for a certain temperature? No, not really. I'm going to get the temperature higher because they're just chicken wings and it shouldn't take that long to get them cooked and get some smoke flavor on them. And we'll see how it goes. Like I said, typical Poor Guy video. I typically do cooks that I've never done before. So anyone that may have not ever smoked wings, this might be for you. I think that's all I got to say. Meet me outside. If you would, it'd be great. Peace. There's my little fire. It's cute, isn't it? Just used pretty much a full chimney of Kingsford and some little hickory bits and pieces in there. Let's close that up, get it up to temperature. Again, I'm not looking to go low and slow or anything like that. I really don't know. But let's get these wings out. And we'll just see how it does. I'll keep an eye on things. I'm not going to probe anything or do anything weird because we're just cooking these little chicken wings. And they're defrosted, so they shouldn't take forever. I'm just using these tongs so I don't have to put on gloves anymore. They already smell good. So, smoked buffalo wings. Never cooked them, never ate them. I've eaten plenty of buffalo wings, but not smoked. And I typically don't deviate. When I eat chicken wings, me personally, I eat buffalo wings. Yeah, I'll put that guy right there. I eat buffalo wings. I don't eat barbecue. I don't eat garlic parmesan. I eat buffalo wings, buffalo sauce. Frank's Red Hot and butter. That's all you need. I did a video a long time ago, just cooking them in the oven, just showing you how basic buffalo wings are. Nobody really watched it. Big surprise there. All right, like I said, I'm just going to let these go. I'm not going to be too concerned about the temperature. If the temperature is higher, I think that would be better, but we still want to get some smoke. I don't know if you can see it, but that's that clear smoke. So when you're smoking food, any kind of meat, that's the smoke. You can kind of see it now. So that's the color you want. You don't want the thick, heavy stuff. You want it fairly thin and a bluish tint to it. That's clean smoke. Dirty smoke would just be the big puff of smoke. Like when you're starting up a pellet smoker and getting it primed, you get that big, heavy smoke. This, we're going to go with that for a while. And we'll check back here. I'll probably have to flip them and see how it goes. See how they taste and all that stuff, right? Okay, peace. Take 3. So we did a take 1 and take 2. Take 3 because the dogs are out here with us and we had our neighbor walking by. And okay, so let's see if we can get through this part of it. Originally, before I opened it up twice, I was at about 400 on this side and about 375 on this side. Okay, let me show you what they're looking at. Now, I did go and I tempt them because it's chicken and you want to make sure the temperatures are correct, served to your family. I did go ahead and flip them. Originally on this side, we were shooting at about 140 and over here about 130, 135. So I flipped them over and moved them, rotated them over to this side. Because what I'm thinking is, since we need to get the 165 bare minimum, I'm going to probably pull them off at about 155 or so. And I'm going to go ahead and submerge them in the buffalo wing sauce, bring them back out, try to get the heat even a little bit higher, and try to get that kind of, I don't know, caramelized on there, that buffalo wing sauce, for better words. And yeah, we're shooting from the hip. So it's awfully cloudy and we got storms approaching, so that's why the lighting is off. But that's what I'm doing. It's been about 20, by this point we did take 3, 25 minutes on there, and they're cooking up nicely. They look good, they smell good, so we'll be back here in a little bit. Peace. Okay, that's what we got so far. They have a nice smoky color to them. Here's our Frank's, or buffalo wing sauce. It's just Frank's and butter. Like I said, the more butter you add, the less heat you're going to have in this sauce. It's not complicated at all. So I'm going to go ahead and mix these in. And then I'm going to put them back out in the smoker. Now, it is absolutely pouring outside. And I'm running out of dry real estate underneath my patio roof. So we'll see if we can get this done. I'm going to put them back out there and wait till we get to at least 165 minutes. Smells good. Frank's and butter. I'm not going to bring you out there because literally it is pouring. So I'm going to go put these back on there and see if we can get them to that internal temp. Worst comes to worst, I'll finish them in the oven because they have plenty of smoke flavor to them at this point. Okay, I'll be back. Peace. Okay, as you can see, we got rained out. It came out of nowhere, and it's going to rain for quite some time. There's the Oklahoma Joe's, the old Blackstone. We ran out of real estate to try to get this finished. So I just cranked up the oven to 425. Like you saw me, I coated those wings in the buffalo wing sauce, and we're just going to finish them off in the oven. When I was doing it, I could smell the smoke on the chicken wings, so we got that part done. So let's just finish them in the oven and give these a taste. All right, hold on. There you go. Peace. There they are. Man, I tell you, they look delicious. Okay, so a little recap for you. We ran into some serious weather. It's still pouring out there. None of this was actually supposed to happen. the weatherman, right? You're a local weatherman. That's a job you can have and literally screw up every day at your job and still keep it and make a buttload of money. Kudos to them, but it was not supposed to rain and it is windy and pouring. So I finished them in the oven. And I didn't get to the crispiness that we're used to because typically I'll cook them in the oven and then flash fry them for a couple of minutes and give them that crispy skin. But they do have a good smoke smell to them, and the Frank's red hot. So let's give these a try. That's a good combination of flavors. Mm. The smoke flavor with the Frank's, that's right on. Mm. Yeah, they're very hot right this second. Mm. That's a good flavor. I've never smoked wings before. Made plenty of buffalo wings, but with the smoke flavor and the buffalo wing sauce, the Frank's and the butter, woo! I got a little bit of Ken's blue cheese that we'll be eating here in a minute. That's good. I wish I could have finished everything outside, but the weather just wasn't going to allow it. We had no idea. So, uh, if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Consider hitting that subscribe button. That would be great. Leave a comment. If you're a professional at this, tell me what I could do better. But it was kind of out of our hands with the weather today. For those of you that show up video after video, we appreciate you. We love you. And thank you for all the support. That's it. We're going to eat these darn things because they are freaking good. All right. That's about it. Peace.